Welcome back to the channel, guys. So on today's video we're going to show you how to do a half cross. It's a bit like obviously a crossover like that, similar way in bending, but you only bend it twice, and it's going to end up looking like something like that. So if you need to get across a pipe to tee into another pipe and you're not going to use a load of fittings, then obviously a load of elbows, then obviously I'm going to show you the way how to do it. So what you do, guys, is you get your pipe. Let's imagine these are running horizontally, and then pick your starting point and then measure 40mm from your starting point backwards. So we'll get the tape measure. I'll do it to the camera. Get the tape measure, and then just make sure when you do your markings, guys, that you take it around the pipe, as you need to flip it when it's in the pipe bender. Like that. So basically that's your 40mm marking. And then what you do is you put your first mark into the bender. Just remember, that's your reference guard, that's your guard mark. And then you need to bend it 60 degrees as you would if you was doing a passover. There you go, guys, 60 degrees. And then what you do is you flip it over, and then you bend your second mark. Make sure she's square like that. She don't want to be like that. It wants to be like that. So it's square with the benders. Make sure you get your second mark in where the guard is. This wants to be bent at 30 degrees. Just checking it's straight. So that one's bending at 30 degrees. I've just gone careful so I don't go too much. Just take care of the benders. So you're left with something like that. So what you do is you need to position the T so it's going to be straight with that pipe there. So for example, not enough room on here. So if we say about there, mark it, which should be about there, guys, and then cut that off at that mark. Like that. Put your tea on. Cameras move, guys. Put air on there, like that. And there's your half pass. There you go, guys. That is how you do a half pass. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys, and look out for our next video.